It's so close here, eh? Is yours like that too?
No, mine has more room than that. But
yeah, and that always moves because it's too loose. It needs to be tight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's still got a decent clutch.
Oh,
yeah,
not
no,
much there, eh?
There's nothing there.
Oh, your seats have no lumbar either.
No, there's no. It's really funny, actually.
That's hilarious.
It backfired. Don't go that fast around this corner. It doesn't have the suspension. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. It'll take that. It'll take that. See, it kind of hops, eh? Yeah. But you get the idea, eh?
Yeah. That's so fun, man.
You can feel the lightness.
It's all doing it just because the car's so light.
Yeah, totally. If you want, you can take a right.
Okay, sure. You just guide me.
Yeah. I thought of putting a muffler on it, and then I thought, no, I'm not going to put a muffler on it.
She's got some punch, man.
It's got a little punch.
She's got some punch. She keeps on your toes.
Wait till we get that.
If you had stiffer suspension, you could get the tires spinning with this thing.
Yeah, it's too. It stops.
Where do you want to go?
Just right, and then we'll go back the same way. This is it. This is all we got for roads.
That first gear has good punch, man.
Yeah, but it's done at like 4,900. It's done. It's done power. It's really kind of a cruiser. Woo! Yeah, that's the corner I wanted you to feel. That's pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it's good.
You feel the lightness. That's the potential is there.
Oh yes.
But I mean, 23 years, everything original. You got to think. Now we'll go left. Now you got to think it was really designed right.
Clutch still feels good. Did you have to replace like the slate cylinder and everything, or?
I just did the slate. The clutch itself was good.
It's all left, right?
Yeah. Okay, now don't get it bigger. Don't get a ticket once we get on the road.
I'll take it easy now. I have my fun.
I put a little gas in it so we can fool around a little bit. But the dash still pretty good shape. I haven't I haven't done nothing to it. I just wiped it. It's just that we don't have a lot of money in our cars either. That's the thing. Like I got $750 I paid for this, and in parts maybe $200. Then a right turn. You're good.
Yeah, the roads are in better shape out where I'm from.
Yeah, no kidding.
I love it. It's just like the most ratty, like unrefined car ever.
Yeah, it's a Datsun.
It's a Datsun for sure. But it feels good, eh?
Oh yeah, it's like well, you'll feel it in the corner here. It's really wallowy.
I love it. It smells like gas. Freaking.
It smells like gas. Not good at the bumps because the suspension. It's right out of the field, man.
Yeah, dude.
So you got to think, like Jordan said, once we get this thing dialed in, it'll be pretty awesome.
Oh yeah. You don't have to do much to make these things freaking
like carburetor, watch this. You just gun it right now.
Yeah. I like. I love it.
And I shifted at about 48.
Oh yeah. bad. Like, you could fill this easy. This is kind of how like my 280ZX felt a little bit.
Yeah.
And the suspension was a little worn out, and the chassis was a little bit whack. So you had like you want to gun it so bad.
Yeah, but you can't.
Like you can't. 'Cause,
I
like,
just bottomed out right there, just on a little bump.
yeah.
Yeah, I can take this faster in my Mazda just because. Well, you could do it in this, but. That's like a Jordan curve.
Yeah. Well, man, he's brutal. He'll take it so hard.
Yeah. Well, he knows where the braking point is.
Yeah.
It's a happy little cup. This thing's light.
You really feel the weight. I'll let you drive it once we get to that.
It feels so light.
Yeah. Wait till you feel the steering rack. Like, it's too bad I didn't put shocks in it. I just.
Well, eventually. It'll get there. How's the clutch?
It's good. Jordan, he sure likes to drive hard, eh?
Oh yeah.
He's like me.
He likes to find the edge of traction.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
But it, you know, really this thing deserves to have the suspension frame tweaked just right, and then it's...
Yeah. What do you think of that little 4-speed round?
Oh, that's a short shifter, I tell you. That's
beautiful.
Way shorter
Little
than my...
wood.
I love that.
I didn't think.
Actually, you know, that's shorter throw than my Mitsubishi. It is.
Yeah, around here it goes pretty far. Look. But it's very notchy.
That part, yeah.
It feels really mechanical.
I actually like that.
I do too. I would not, Brent, I would not want it shorter.
No.
Not.
No.
I want more,
This is like the old 1960s Ferraris. Just deadly.
Brent, like this over to get to reverse, it takes
I like that.
20 pounds
I like that.
of pressure. Maybe 25. Yeah.
Man, what's this supposed to do?
That's my choke.
Really?
There's a little,
Okay, a little knob on it.
Yeah, there's a little knob on there. Sorry. And this is loose, but it actually rear frost.
Okay,
I checked it. It works. I hadn't
That's
plugged it.
crazy.
And
Hazard lights with a little. Oh, I like that. This is 72, man.